Hello from Slovenia again. First of all, I just want to show you what I got in my mail today, mailbox, from States, from my dear friend Doris, from Doris AF Designs on YouTube. I will put link to her channel into my description box. Please check her out because it's a resonant acrylic pouring artist, and as you can see, she sent me all these goodies, and I'm so excited to use this mini blow dryer, and I get some resin and pigments and a lot of paint. So Doris, I can't tell you how much I'm grateful for that, because it's just, I don't know, it's so nice when you get those presents, because you know that a lot of people love you, and it's nice feeling. We all need love, or all we need is love. All you need is love. Bum, ba-da-da-dum. Okay. I will use this one in my today's pour, just this one from this palette that I got. This is Garnet, I think. Yes, I can't wait to see this paint. So I will prepare my table for pouring and see you in a bit. Hello again. I prepared my canvas, and I really think that these colors should look really nice in the split cup together with the garnet that I talked about, that I will use, because I think that they will play really nice together. So this is Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue. And next one is Pebeo iridescent blue-green. I love these two colors next to each other because they create really nice colors, contrast, everything. They just look fabulous together. And this is the Garnet Extreme sheen. Gorgeous. Okay. And next will be Venetian rose from Amsterdam. I was debating to myself, I first want to use Persian rose, and then I decided that I will use this Venetian one. They are similar but different. And Pebeo iridescent precious gold, of course. Okay. So this is the cup. I think that it will be nice combination, and now I have to do my work. It was my work to choose the colors too, but still, let's pour this. I was hoping for a lot of garnet, but maybe not as much, but I will just pour some white around. For my kind of flow extender, just to help my paint flow. And maybe I will pour a little more towards the middle before I will spin it, because I want to see. Okay, I like this middle a lot, so we'll just go towards the corners, and maybe I will just tilt it, not spin it. Or I really love this middle, have to say. So let's spin this a little bit and then we will see. I will just tilt a little of this garnet off and stretch this center that way a little bit. And I kind of don't like this part, so I will just try to stretch it a little to this side, because I really like what is happening in the middle of this painting. I want to have this as my focal point. I will walk a little more, and maybe I will tilt just a little on this corner off. Just walking. Okay, this is what I was hoping for. I didn't expect that this garnet will take over as much, but it has some beautiful lines in it and everything, and this wispy look with this blue here. I find this piece really, really beautiful. I have to say that I love, love, love it. So I will just touch my corners where I have to. Can't wait to see this one dry. Wow, I really, really love it. I'm not over the moon with this part, so I will just try to touch it a little bit to camouflage this really, I don't know, weird thing here. Okay, now I'm done. I will clean my hands and take you for a close. Well, this is close up. This middle is just stunning. And even though there is a lot of garnet, you see it's a lot of, well, focus, a lot of tiny lines that are gorgeous. You see how this is kind of glowing here in the middle, and I hope that you see that it's not just like garnet as it may look at first. And I love this iridescent blue-green flowing into this garnet and some gold here. I'm really happy with this painting, have to say, because it's really, really beautiful. Tell me what you think about it. Do you like it too, or it's just me again? Sometimes it's strange because what I like, I don't know, sometimes it's just my preference, but I really like this painting. So, and this is all that it's important. If you are happy with your painting, this is all that matters. This is it. Again, I said this already, and see you on the next one. Bye.